Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 1.2 from NCERT. In previous video, I taught exercise 1.1 from NCERT and from ML Agarwal. The 1.1 exercise is completed. In this video 1.2 I will tell you. Now, first question. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Sum is -7. Question is to write down a pair of integers. Means you think two integer when you are doing plus of that integer, your answer should be -7. Okay. Sum is -7. Clear? Suppose that we are taking -10 and 3. -10 and 3 we have taken. Clear? When we are doing plus, -10 plus 3, minus plus minus, 10 minus 3, 7. -7. Why -7? Because 10 is greater. Clear? And front of sign is minus, that's why here is minus sign. -7. Okay. Other numbers also you have taken. Other integers also you have taken. You can take other. Suppose that we have taken -10 and 3. If you want to any other, you can take that. Suppose that you are thinking -4, 11. Okay. So sum, clear? Sum means plus. So when you will do plus 4 plus 11, the 15 you will get. But here is -7 is telling. So you have taken here is minus. So 4 plus -11. So 4 minus 11 plus 7 minus 7. In this case, in -7, clear? In question given, so -10 and 3. Suppose that you are thinking why we have not taken here minus sign. If you will take here minus sign, your answer will not come -7. Clear? Suppose that here we have taken -4 and 11. Clear? So -4 and 11 if we will take after that, suppose -4 plus 11. So 7 your answer is coming, but result is wrong because in question -7. You want -7. That's why we will take whatever number we will take. If two integers you are taking, so in with greater integer you will take minus sign. Clear? So it is greater, so here we have taken minus sign. Clear? Okay, understand? Note down this. B. Difference is -10. Difference is -10. Clear? So solution means you think two integer. After that, if you are finding the difference between that integer, your answer should be -10. Clear? So which, suppose that you have taken -20 and -10. Two integer we have taken -20 and -10. Clear? Find the difference So -20, comma place, minus sign, -10. Okay, -20, minus minus plus. So minus plus minus 20 minus 10, 10. There is minus. Clear? So -10 is coming. Understand? Suppose that you are thinking any other you want to take. -24 and -14. -24 and -14 if we are taking. So -24 minus 14. So -24 plus 14, 0, -10. Means your answer should be -10. Whatever is asking in there, that you will think how you will get that number. After that you will take integer. You here is -10 is asking, so you think which two integer you will take, and after that if you are finding the difference, then you will get -10. So, -20 and -10 we have taken. Clear? -24 and -14 we have taken. Clear? But if you want to think any other number, you can take there. It is not necessary whatever I have written that you want. Clear? But concept will be not changed. Concept will be not changed. Clear? In mathematics, you can change digit. But if method difference is asking, so like this you will do. If this type question is given, like this if you will do, so you will get your answer. Clear? Digit you can change, there is no problem. Clear? Next question, second number. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Note down this. In second question, clear? Second here. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. See, write a pair of negative integer whose difference gives 8. Clear? Negative integer means whatever integer you are taking, that should be negatives. So write a pair of negative integer whose difference, after that when you are finding the difference of that integer, there should be 8. Clear? So 2 negative integers. 2 negative integers you take, your answer should be 8. Clear? Suppose that we have taken 12 -12 and -20. -12 and -20 suppose we have taken. Clear? Find the difference. -12 minus, comma place we have taken minus sign. Why minus sign we are taking? Because in the question, find the difference. Whose difference? Difference is whose sum is. When sum is telling, so you will take plus sign. Whose difference? Difference in minus sign you will take. Clear? -12 plus 20 minus plus minus 20 minus 12. Here is plus sign. Why plus sign is here? Why minus 12 and plus 20. 20 is greater. 20 front of sign is plus. That's why. Note down. The second BC you can do. By the second B, write a negative integer and positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Means you take two integers. One is negative, second is positive. After that you find the sum. Clear? Write a negative integer and positive integer whose difference is minus 3. It is like question number second A. Clear? Third question. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0 and team B scored is 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integer in any order? Clear? Third question. Team A. So team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0. Clear? Team B scored 10, 0 and 40. 10, 0 and minus 40. Clear? Team A minus 40, 10, 0. Team B 10, 0, minus 40. Clear? After that, you think which team made maximum score. Clear? So what we can do? Plus, we will do sum of all score of team A and sum of all the score of team B. So sum minus 40 plus 10 0. So minus plus minus 40 minus 10 30 minus 30 plus 0 and minus 30. Clear? And team B sum 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. So 10 plus 0 10 plus minus minus 40 minus plus minus. See, team A minus 30, team B minus 30 means both score is equal. Means both are. It is the answer. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. It you can do. Note down this. Next thing, exercise 1.3. Clear? In 1.2 only 5 questions is there. Clear? 1.3. Note down. In 1.2 only 4 questions is there. That is completed. Exercise 1.3 NCERT. Find each of the following products. First question is find each of the following products. First one 3 into minus 1. The product means multiply. Find the product. 3 into minus 1. 3 was the 3 minus plus minus 3 is the answer. Clear? E minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Clear? To find the product 15 into 0 0 into 18 0. See, if maximum number is there, so many numbers is there and there is multiply sign is, and between them 0 is there, if you will find the product you will get 0. Clear? And question number 8. First thing, so many parts is there, that's why I am telling you some parts. Minus 18 into 5 minus 2. Clear? So multiply 18 5 ja 90 minus plus into minus 2 minus plus minus 94 ja 360 is the answer. See, minus plus 18 5 ja 90 minus 4 you will write here, minus into plus minus 90 into 4 4 9 is 36, 360 is the answer. Note down. Now second question, verify 18 into 17 plus minus 30 minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. See? Okay? Question is verify the following. Means you find this, means if left hand side equal to right hand side, so it is verified. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it is not verified. Clear? Means in the question asking 18 into 17 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7, 18 into minus 3. Means both are equal or not. So how we will know? When we will solve it, after that if we are getting both result is same, that is verified. Clear? So see here, Bodmas rule means first we will solve bracket 18 into 17 plus into minus 3. Okay? So it is the left hand side. First we will find left hand side. Then 18 to 17 minus 3, 14. So 18 4 ja 72, 18 1 ja 18 or 7, 252. Clear? Then right hand side. Right hand side is this. Find it. If answer is coming 252, so it is correct. 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 2. 18 7 ja 126 plus 18 3 ja 54. Okay? Then 126 plus into minus 54. Okay? So 6 minus 4 2. 12 minus 5 7. So it is coming 72, it is coming 252. So both are not equal, means left hand side not equal to right hand side. When it is not verified. Means first we will take left hand side. So left hand side 18 into 17 plus into minus 3. Clear? So 18 into 17 minus 3 14. 18 into 14 if you will do, clear? Means 18 and 4 8 ja 32. 3 carry 4 1 ja 4 3 7. 1 8 ja 8. 1 1 ja 1. 2 5. The 252 is clear. Right hand side 18 into 7, 18 into minus 3, 18 7 ja 126, 18 3 ja 54. Clear? So minus plus minus 126 minus 54 equal to 72. Clear? So both are not equal. It is not verified. Clear? Note down this. Second B you can do. Question number 3 you can do, and question number 4. Question number 5 I am telling you. Find the product using suitable property. Clear? In first part I told you properties. Clear? So here is hint A, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, so here see minus 48 is here, minus 48 is here. Clear? So I told you na if it is a distributive property I told you if A in bracket B plus C. Clear? Means A into B plus A into C. So A is here, so both are common. Clear? Like this here also 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Clear? So minus 48 you will take common. So here what is left? 26 plus minus 36. Okay. Then minus 48 into 26 plus minus minus. So minus 48 into what? Minus 10. So minus 480 answer. Okay? 480 is answer. Clear? A, B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Because C, here is 48, here is 48. Clear? Minus 48 and minus 48. So minus 48 we can take common. Clear? If you will do both multiply, both number multiply, and here is also you will do multiply. So there also you will get 480. But if here is asking ki using suitable property is asking. The property, if you know that, then you can do from that. Clear? So it is a distributive property. Clear? So from distributive property you can do this question. For minus 48 is common. So here is 26 is left plus sign minus 36 minus 36. After that minus 48 26 plus into minus minus 36. 26 minus 36 minus 10 minus minus plus 48 into 10 480. It is the answer. And next part you can do. Now question number 6 I will tell you. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Clear? Note down. Question number 6. From the question. It is given that let us take the lower temperature as negative. Take the lower temperature as negative. Well, lowered means it is downside is going, means it is in negative. Clear? Means initial temperature how much is given? 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, and change in temperature, the rate every per hour. change in temperature, how much per hour means -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, then change in temperature after 10 hours. After 10 hours, the 10 into 5 equal to -50 degrees Celsius. Okay, then final room temperature is asking. Final room temperature after 10 hours freezing process. The freezing process equal to 40 plus minus 50. Clear? Then 40 minus 50, तो minus plus minus and minus 10 degrees Celsius. Clear? Again I am telling you from the question. In the question is telling कि a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So it is given that let us take the lower temperature as negative. The lower temperature we are taking in negative form. Clear? Initial temperature 40 degrees Celsius is given. The change in temperature per hour -5 degrees Celsius means every hour 5 degrees Celsius is lowered the temperature. So after 10 hours, 5 into 10 minus 50 degree. Clear? Final room temperature after 10 hours. So initial is 40 degrees Celsius, or after 10 hours how much? -50 degrees Celsius. Clear? So 40 or after means after sign is that's why we have taken here plus sign. Clear? So 40 plus minus 50. So 40 minus 50 plus into minus 50 minus 40 minus 10. Clear? So, and next question number 7, 8 you can do very easily. Clear? So 2 exercise I taught you today means 1.2 is very small exercise. There is only 4 questions. And in 1.3 8 9 questions. 9 is fill in the blanks. Clear? You can do this. Okay. Thank you, students.